Every high-rise building begins with a foundation built to last. At Setia Alam, Selangor, contractors were preparing the foundation for a 29-story condominium development. Before pile cap construction could begin, grade 100 ICP concrete spun piles had to be cut accurately, efficiently, and safely. Each spun pile measured 400 millimeters in diameter, making this one of the most demanding applications for a 9-inch diamond blade. For the task, the contractor selected the Bosch 9-inch angle grinder, equipped with the COOLMAN D230TS 9-inch diamond blade. Although the COOLMAN D230TS is one of our more economical 9-inch pile cutting blades, it is engineered to deliver dependable performance where it matters most, on real construction sites. From the very first cut, the D230TS demonstrated smooth cutting action, excellent stability, and consistent control. Working through grade 100 high-strength concrete, the blade achieved an average cutting time of approximately 5 minutes for each 400 millimeter spun pile, helping the contractor maintain productivity throughout the project. But true performance is measured by more than cutting speed. It is measured by durability. By the completion of the project, the team had successfully cut 14 concrete spun piles. Blade inspection showed the diamond segment had worn from its original 12 millimeters to 10 millimeters. That represents just 2 millimeters of segment wear after completing 14 cuts through 400 millimeter grade 100 spun concrete piles, a result that reflects the blade's durability under demanding site conditions. The COOLMAN D230TS proves that reliable job site performance doesn't always require a premium-priced blade. It delivers the cutting speed, consistency, and durability. Professional contractors need to keep projects moving without compromising value. COOLMAN D230TS, professional performance, practical value, proven on real construction sites. COOLMAN, engineered for performance, proven by professionals.